Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Frankfurt, Germany, and this seems to be kind of a touristy area. There's some malls, there's like a walking street, so I'm going to walk around and see what's going on around here. If you are curious where this is, it's close to the Frankfurt Bourse or the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. So I'm not really sure what this area is, but let's have a look around. So that's something I haven't seen in about 30 years, a Woolworth. I didn't even know that's still around, or maybe they're just using the name or something, I don't know. Let's see what's on this street over here. So this Woolworth looks like it's kind of like a dollar store, where the original was called Five and Dime or whatever. So what's the metro stop here? This is Kurt Schumacher Strasse. There's a lot of bikes here. I don't know if these are rentals or people just lock them up to get on the train or what. So this area had a lot more people a few hours back, but it started raining, as you could see in the clouds here, but it stopped for a while, so people are starting to trickle back in. It is a Tuesday, August 15th, like about 3:30 in the afternoon. So I imagine this place is probably pretty crowded on the weekends and nights as well. I was a little disappointed in Frankfurt when I got here this morning, because I went to the Frankfurt AM Main Central train station, the Hauptbahnhof, and the last time I was here, probably before the pandemic for sure, maybe 4 years ago or something like that, the area around the train station was not nice. There's all these, it has like red light casinos and poker machines and all kinds of derelicts and drug addicts hanging out around there back then. I went there today and it looks like it's gotten a lot worse, like to the point of I wouldn't tell people to walk around that area even in the daytime. That's how sketchy it is. I was walking around there trying to exchange some money, and it looks like all the shops that used to do that are closed except for like one or two, and the rates are not that great anymore. So no real reason to be around that area, in my opinion. I'm going to try to walk around there and show that as well later on in another video, and maybe even go see what it's like at night, because it looks pretty scary in the daytime. I got to see what's going on there at night. So this looks like a really nice department store or something, like a Macy's or something. also another kind of, I guess this is a mall. So a lot of good shopping around here, it looks like. Oh my God. And the best thing of all, I see straight ahead is a Dunkin' Donuts. I can't believe it. I don't think I've ever seen a Dunkin' Donuts in Germany or really any place else except for Spain. There's a Breitling store, so some high-end places here. It renews my faith in Frankfurt that there are some, some really nice areas and stuff where tourists can come and not be worried because that area around the train station is horrific. So, and it's not that far from here. I actually walked there. I think it's 2.5 kilometers or something like that. So not that far at all. But you can take the subway here from the train station, the central train station, to come here. So a nice mix of old buildings with the new buildings out here. Yeah, I got to really figure out what the name of this area is because I have no idea. Wow, that's the second H&M I passed in like 2 blocks. What is this? Another mall? Foodtopia? Wow. Yeah, so this is like, I don't know, the shopping mecca of Frankfurt, it looks like. You got everything here. That musician is pretty good, and you don't often or ever see somebody playing that as a street musician, I think. So, and there's stuff on all the side streets as well. It's pretty packed. So this is definitely a place to come explore a whole afternoon or an evening. I'm going to end up at the Frankfurt Stock Exchange so you can see just how close it is and where it is in relation to that. And it's like another 1 block and to the right. So I got to figure out what this name of this place is. That's the station name. Hauptwache. Hauptwache. I'm sure I butchered that name, but that's what it sounds like to me. There's a Starbucks right here, and there's a Starbucks not even one block over here. Hauptwache. So there's the other Starbucks, and right around the corner is a bigger bull than the one that is at Wall Street in Manhattan. So you thought that was the only one. There's also a few other ones, I think one in Shanghai Exchange or something like that. Anyway, here it is. And that's the Frankfurt Exchange, which I went and did the tour at 1 o'clock, and there's really nothing to write home about. There's literally about, I counted about 20 guys in the trading floor there, just sitting at their desks on their computers. It's very quiet, it's boring, and you just kind of walk around and read some history of it on the walls and interactive, you know, screens and stuff. So this is the bull and the bear, and this one is definitely bigger than the one on Wall Street. And check out this building over here with these guys holding up the balcony. That's pretty cool. So this is the Frankfurt Bourse, and it is over 400 years old, so definitely older than the New York Stock Exchange. Older than America, actually. So guys, that's a look at the nicer parts of Frankfurt, the shopping area, the tourist area around here with the business and financial sector. If you're in Frankfurt, skip the train station area and come down to here, and you will like it a lot better. I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.